Our formula for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We are looking at the formula method today, and our formula method says that minus b plus over minus b squared minus 4ac the square root all over 2a. From this, we know our a. We substitute our a to it. We have our b. We have our c. Now let's take an example to solve this together. We have to solve x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals to 0 with the use of formula. So what will you do? You try to know what your a is. Our a. What our a is. So what is our a here? Our a is what? 1. What is our b? Our b is what? 3. And our c is what? 2. Our b is 3, our c is 2. We'll write the formula. We give us minus b plus b square minus 4ac square root over 2a. We will now substitute to it. We have our x. What is our b? That gives us 3 plus or minus. What is our b again? 3 square we are having there. Minus 4. What is our a? 1. What is our b? 2. We square everybody. And we have 2. What is our a? 1. With that now we work. We have minus 3 plus or minus. 3 in 2 places give us what? 9. Minus 4 times 1 times 2 give us 8. You square it again. All over what? 2. You quickly work that. You say minus 3 plus or minus. Take away 8 from 9. That gives us 1, which is the square root. All over 2. What does this interpret? It means that x is equal to minus 3 plus root 1 over 2 or minus 3 minus root 1 over 2. Is that taken? Because we have 2 operations there. And from there we have x is equal to minus 3. What is square root of 1? 1 over 2. Or minus 3 minus what is square root of 1 again? 1 over 2. You now ask yourself, minus 3 plus 1. I'm owing money, 3 naira, and I have 1 naira. How much are you still owing somebody? Minus 2 divided by 2. Are you with me? Or you have what? Minus 3 minus 1 give us what? Minus 4 all over over 2. Divide it by this, that gives us x is equals to minus 1. Or what? X is minus 2. Looking at the second example, which we are still using the formula method, and the question says 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. We take out working. As I've told us, the coefficient of x squared is our a, and the coefficient of b of s is our what? Our b, which is minus 5, and our c is minus 3. I believe remember the formula which says that x is equal to what? Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Since we know our a to be 2, b minus 5, c minus 3. Let's substitute together. What is our b? Minus 5 plus or minus. You open the bracket, the square root. What is our b again? Minus 5. You square it. Minus 4. What is our a? 2. What is our c? Minus 3. You just follow that procedure like that and come down all over what? 2a. What is our a? 2. Are we following? Let's solve it together. Let's solve it together. X is equals to minus times minus will give us plus 5. Plus or minus, let's work with the inside. Minus 5 times minus 5 give us 25. Minus times minus give us plus. 4 times 2 times 3 give us what? 24. And we square root it all over. 2 times 2 give us 4. And we say x is equal to plus 5 plus or minus 25 plus 24 will give us 49. And the square root all over what? 4. Are you with me? And we say x is equal to plus 5 plus or minus. What is square root of 49? And that is 7 all over 4. And we say x is equal to plus 5 plus 7 or plus 5 minus 7 all over what? 4 all over what? 4. You can see that there is an interpretation of twice two operation here, plus and minus. And we proceed again. We say plus 5 plus 7. I'm having 5 naira. I have 7 naira again, and that gives me what? 12 all over 4. Or 5 plus 5 minus 7. I'm having 5 naira. I'm owing somebody 7 naira. I'm still owing the person 2 naira over 4. And x is equal to, how many 4 can go here? And that will give us 3. We have to cut this. Plus times minus will give us minus. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. And finally, we can put in decimal number, that is 3 or what? Minus 0.5. And that is our final answer. So the only thing you needed is just substitution. The coefficient of x squared is 2, coefficient of x is minus 5, c is minus 3, and you substitute to it and you try to solve the problem. Is that okay? So I'll put my question on the comment section.